In this video, I will show you how to fix you need official WhatsApp to log in error. So I'm going to show you how to fix this on Android and iOS. So if you're using an Android phone, what you're going to have to do is simply open the Play Store on your mobile device and then simply scroll down. So you're gonna have to go to your settings account and then simply tap on Play Protect. Now here, what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on this settings icon in the top right corner and then simply disable this option here, which is scan device for security threats. Now after you disable this option, what you're gonna have to do is simply reopen WhatsApp on your mobile device, and basically that should be fixed. Now if you're using an iOS device, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings and then simply go to general. Now here you're gonna have to simply go to iPhone storage and then you're gonna have to simply look for WhatsApp. So scroll down and then simply tap on WhatsApp and then simply tap on offload app. Now basically this will clear WhatsApp cache. So simply tap on reinstall app. Now you don't have to worry about your account being deleted and you losing conversations, because it's not the case. This will not delete your conversation on WhatsApp, so you can do this easily. Now you can do this on Android too if you want. So simply go to the app settings and then simply clear the cache files, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.